Ready? Start. This application is filed by Edelweiss Assets Reconstruction Company Limited under Section 7 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 for brevity code. Read with Rule 4 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Application to Adjudicating Authority Rules 2016 is a financial creditor for initial of corporate insolvency resolution process CIRP against the Takshashila Heights India Private Limited for brevity corporate debtor. The applicant financial creditor is a company incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 and registered as asset reconstruction company under SARFAESI Act. 1. ECL Finance Limited, hereinafter referred to as original lender, had sanctioned financial assistance to the CD YD assistance agreement dated 9/5/2020. Original lender assigned all its right, title, interest in the financial documents, all agreements related to the repayment of loan in favor of the applicant. By virtue of said agreement, applicant has stepped into the shoes of original lender and is entitled to take steps against the corporate debtor for recovery of dues. The CD and erstwhile Nilkamal Retailers and Complex Private Limited have mortgaged their immovable property to secure financial assistance granted by the original lenders. From 31/10/2020, the scheme of amalgamation has become effective as the RD Ahmedabad confirmed the scheme of amalgamation. In view of the scheme, CD became beneficiary of liabilities. The charge on the property of erstwhile Nilkamal Retailers and Complex Private Limited are enforceable on the property of the corporate debtor. The applicant further submitted that as per request of CD, original lender sanctioned team loan hereinafter referred to terms loan facility 1 of rupees 40 crore on 19/7/2018. The corporate debtor executed loan agreement undertaking so also personal guarantees were executed by Mr. Kamlesh Gondalia, Mr. Dipendra Gondalia and Mr. Prathil Gondalia. They have also executed hypothecation deed and escrow account was to be opened at SDFC Bank. The original lenders further sanctioned term loan of rupees 30 crore on 19/7/2018, hereinafter referred to as Team Loan Facility 2nd. For this facility, the corporate debtor executed loan agreement 2nd. The corporate debtor as well as guarantors have executed relevant documents for loan agreement deed. With respect to team loan first and second term loan have executed relevant documents for loan agreement deed. In favor of original lenders, the corporate debtor and erstwhile Nilkamal Retailers and Complex Private Limited agreed that all the ECL project receivable shall be routed through escrow account and shall be distributed in terms of the transaction documents. The original lender appointed Axis Bank Limited to open bank accounts and hold ECL projects receivable arising out of their project and release escrow money open happening of event as per escrow agreement dated 7/9/2020. The applicant further stated that operation and conduct of the aforesaid facilities granted became irregular and the corporate debtor started committing default in repaying the loan. The last payment was made on 30/9/2021. The account was classified as NPA on 30/12/2021. The financial creditor also issued recall notice dated 31/5/2022 to corporate debtor demanding outstanding dues, but the corporate debtor failed and neglected to comply the same. As on 31st/1/2024, sum of rupees 93,54,87,965 stands due and outstanding to the financial creditor by corporate debtor. The financial creditor by letter dated 23/5/2023 agreed to restructure the dues of corporate debtor and other group being, that is Raghav Karnov LLP. They have received rupees 6.37 crores through monetizing the industrial shade in Raghav Kanpur LLP only. Till date, corporate debtor has not made any payment against restructuring amount. Both of them have failed to repay the due installment and defaulted the terms and conditions of restructuring agreement. The financial creditor therefore issued revocation notice dated 29/12/2023 to corporate debtor. The applicant therefore prays for initiation of CIRP against the corporate debtor. The respondent objected the application by filing reply and denied all the allegations leveled against them. The respondent submitted that the object of the company was charged in the year 2018 and then state of affairs of the corporate debtor are involved in construction and development of residential commercial project in Ahmedabad. Total 279 units of the project consist of home